What's up people, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different from my normal style. I was planning on posting a review on the Realme Buds Q, but what started out as a review quickly turned into a rant after I started using it. Of course, let's start off talking about the design, which is probably the only good thing about these earphones. The actual case is made to look like a pebble and the earbuds themselves don't look too bad either. In fact, with the right ear tip, it provides a great seal and excellent passive noise isolation. They sound pretty decent too considering the price and have a slight emphasis on bass. But the actual problems began when I started making calls on it. Oftentimes, I had to speak up. The person on the other end sounded quite muffled, and if you're making a call in a noisy environment, they won't be able to hear you clearly. So, if you're planning to make a lot of calls on these earbuds, it wouldn't be a pleasant experience to say in the least. Another feature I was testing out was the capacitive touch controls. They are quite hard to get the hang of, and the actual sensing region is quite small, making them finicky to use. Now, you might be thinking this may be an isolated incident, but no. Some of my friends started reporting the same issues with their pairs too. All of this I was ready to forget and move on until I started facing random disconnections while streaming videos on YouTube. The audio pauses for a split second or so and then resumes. This is highly unacceptable for a pair of earphones with Bluetooth 5.0 and was the last nail in the coffin. I became so put off with the user experience and stopped with the actual testing. Manufacturers should never release such half-baked products in my opinion. For the same or even lower price, there are wireless solutions which offer a much better user experience overall, and I highly suggest you guys to stay away from these earbuds and look elsewhere.